listen. The man himself, Kabida in the building. Yeah, man. Mjama, Satenda Kure. People have been asking me, Mashash, and they say album Miranzi Chingwa.
Yeah, you don't know. A lot of people don't understand because Tikati Chingwa, on the Zonu Guy Chingwa Bekari. You get it?
Yeah, man, I get it.
But if you go back in the Bible, this time you Jesu and Dambra and Chingwa Niwa,
yeah, man, straight.
Uyumuiri wangu. Saka you say the bread represents the body of Christ.
Yeah, man.
And if you go back in the Bible, same way. That's when you will understand that bread plays a very, very big part of our survival. You get it?
Yeah, man,
because at the other end. And there is this thing, Baba.
Yeah,
if you go back,
straight, yeah, man.
If you go back to the French history, French Revolution, dog, yeah, you have to go up and go and search for it. In 1789, dog,
yeah, man, way back
French woman, every woman in Paris, they gathered and they walked for more than 12 miles.
Yeah, man.
12 miles, Rastaman. Wachienda kumba king, no king, you cannot rule. We want bread. So you say that Chingwa just change your tambanacho.
Yeah, man, me understand. So how many tracks are on this album?
Yeah, man, about 11 tracks.
Yeah, man, 11 tracks.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Me think this is your first album.
Yeah.
What inspired you to do this type of thing?
Yeah, what inspired me is really the ghetto life, the life we grew up living.
Yeah, man.
Plus the thing, we have our own step, but now we do our own things. So, apana karasta, ma pitbulls, I think I told Obama.
Yeah, man.
We have to give it to them.
Yeah, man. So, man, I'm going
yeah, this coming Saturday.
27 October.
27 October.
So, this thing again.
Straight.
Yeah, man. So, before you go, just want a freestyle for the people. A freestyle. No. I no longer call it a freestyle. An expensive style. What me I talk about?
An expensive style. Yeah, man.
Straight.
I would tell this seriously because in life we really face a lot of things, but people have say the kings are the kings. Them know this. To shake a dance, earthquake, and if you mamunya papundinenge 6 pack, haikona kiriet, vanoda kutsikirira vaudze vatsike chimeti. Ha. Ndozveti ndadonedza patani ndobva ndanzi weudhani nemveti. Ndiani uyo? Check. Ndiwesawira mukuru senyaradzo vamwe mafake. Ha. Tek vanoda tidonhe mashasha ngativaseke pa this track.
Oh yeah!
This track. Yeah,
man. Think 10 applause straight from the head in abroad. Yeah, man. Remember it's all about Kabida's new album. Yeah, man. An album called Chingwa. So the thing I go on. Yeah, man. Big up DJ Welly Ozil. Yeah, man. Big up Real Music Entertainment. Yeah, man.
Big up Slim Dog same way.
Shut up.
Where me used to go. Go fashion this in a boot today. Me loving on my flow. Jaja va fura my toe. Chineke you me love. My cats in the